Hello viewers, good evening. Welcome to this page. Please, if you are viewing this video for the first time, you are on this page, please kindly like and follow the page. And if you are watching this video from YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So today typically we'll be talking about how to promote your business. A business owner, do you have product and nobody is patronizing you? I have come with these new opportunities to enlighten you, to show you many ways in which you can promote your business and start having sales. So without further ado, let's just go straight on our number one marketing skills. So in our number one marketing skills, we have what we call Facebook Market. Facebook Market. On Facebook Market, you can be able to bring your product visible to thousands of viewers. Thousands of viewers. So it's very simple. So many people have Facebook today. They only use it to chat. They use it for fun and other things. They don't know that apart from that, they can also market their product online. So we'll be going straight to the point today. So now you can see a little house, like a store, at the top right hand, at the top right hand of the page. Now, when you click on it, it will take you to an interface. You can see people's products. People's products. Sorry, I reload it. You can see people's products. Different. You can see so many different products. This keyboard, this phone for sale. You have different products. You can see if a rechargeable hand fan, earphone. As you scroll down, you'll be able to see so many products. So many products. But still, you can still search. You can still search for the product you want by clicking this. You can see it's a round icon at the top right of the page. If you click on it, a search it will load, and a search bar will appear. I'm having a very poor network here. Having a very poor network here. So let's leave that. So, but if you click on the search, you can be able to type exact what you are looking for. If you are a buyer, you want to buy from this option here. If you want to buy from Facebook Market, so you can type whatever you are looking for. But today, for the sake of this video, we are looking at how a business owner can market their product, can advertise their product for thousands of people to get to see and know about this product. It's very simple. So what we just need to do, you can see some menu at the top of the page. You see inbox, you see sell, you see categories, you see search. So what you just need to do is to click on the sell menu. Let's wait for it to open. That's open. So you see the sell menu has opened. So what you just need to do is to click on the category, the first option there, category, and you will select network spoil. God, what's happening? Okay, you can see the category here. We have vehicles, we have housing, we have home and garden, we have electronics, we have so many options here. So, but you yourself as a business owner, you know your niche. You know your niche. Some of you are into appliances, so many different options. So you just click on it. Let's say we are going to home and garden. Under home and garden, we have appliances. Let's see. Oh God. Network. Why is this network so poor like this? Okay, that's open. Appliances has open. We have condition here. Click on your condition. You select if the appliances you have is a new product or is a fairly used product. So you can decide to choose. Let's say used good. It has been used but is good. So let's click on it. That's loaded. Then the brand, if you like, you can add the brand of the product. Then what are you selling? Appliances, you can choose any appliances, home appliances you wish to sell. Maybe you are into generators, you are into pressing iron, or you are into home theater. You can just write it there. Then the price is very important. So you tell us the price of what your product worth. So you write it there, and your location matters. You can see I'm in Abuja, and it's already stating Abuja there. So your description of the product, you write a brief description about the product. Then here you see list as single item. So let's see, you see an option will pop up, list as in stock. Let's say you are into pressing irons, the sales of pressing iron. If you are selling just one of it, you can just leave it as list as single item. But if you have them in stock, many, you can choose the second one, list as in stock. So you can just leave it. Then here is for you to add photo of your product. Is for you to add photos of your product. Sorry, we skip one. Yeah, you see offer shipping. This for people in diaspora. Maybe you can ship it out, but for now this is off because you're in Nigeria. So photo, you just need to snap a picture of your exact product. You won't go on Google and maybe you want to sell pressing iron, you go on Google and download pressing iron and upload it. No, that exact product you are selling, you upload the pictures for the buyer to see, and know if he's going to like the product or not. So after that, you can see our publish here. You just publish the product, it will go live. And before you know, people are start contacting you. How much do you sell? Do you buy? Are you giving us discount? We start seeing some different types of messages. So that's one important of Facebook market. And one beauty of this is what? Totally free. It's totally free. You can see different products and their prices. You can see it, different products and their prices that's been listed. Different products and their prices that's been listed. So if you are a business owner, this video is an eye opener for you to do the needful. It's an eye opener for you to start doing the needful. It's totally free. Facebook is not charging you a dime for you to post your product here. They're not charging you a dime. That's the most beautiful thing in this Facebook market. So if you have any question, you can still leave it at the comment section. You can leave it at the comment section. I'll attend to it. So let's go to the second. The second one. Hello viewers, so let's digress to in our second marketing site in which you can advertise your product to make your product known for people to see. So there's an application called hawkits.ng, or you can just go to your browser, type hawkits.ng in your browser. So or you go to Play Store, download an application called Hawkits. So as you can see, I have it on my phone. So it's just for me to click on it. And you can see it's loading to come up. Okay, you can see the interface of the application. So you can see it's hawkits.ng. So this application is a very big application. It has thousands of users already utilizing the application. So this application has multiple functions. You can earn from this application, like earn money from this application, and you can also advertise your product. Thousands of people are using this platform. So it's very, very, very simple and it's user friendly. You can see, if you check at the down lower menu of it, you will see home, earn, advertise, markets. So if I should click on this earn button, I've clicked on it. Let's see what will come up. You can see that we have there's what we have, get started, and this place is talking about refer and earn big. So now when you click on get started, though that's not where we are going to, but I want to show you something briefly. So it's for you to click on perform engagement tags or post adverts. Click on post adverts for you to post. If you have an advert you want people to see, you can just click on the post advert at the top. So already these are advert people has posted. These are tasks. When you complete these tasks, you get paid. Or you can click on the perform engagement tags under the post adverts here at the top. Under the post advert, click on it. You will see engagement tags. Follow people and pages. You can see earn is 3 naira per page when you follow people. So many people has posted tags here for people to do and get paid, but that's not where we are going to today. We are heading to markets, how to advertise your product for people to see. So if you check the down menu now, you see markets. You see something like a store, a box shape. You click on it, markets, and you can see it's loading. Here you will see people's products that they have placed. It's loading. The network is poor. Let's just wait a little for it to load. The most beautiful thing about this platform is that they have thousands of people using this platform. So using this platform. They have thousands of people using this platform, and it's really helping. I've used this platform before, and it works massively for me. They turn out great. I promote my Facebook page here in this platform. So, but the network is very, very poor. I don't really know what is happening. Okay, let's click on home. Let's go back, click on home. Let's click on home and see what's come up. Okay, when you scroll down, click on home. When you scroll down, let's scroll down. You see so many people's products that they have placed. You can click on view products. You can see children customs, all kind, military, medical, and dash. The price is 1,500. People who have viewed it 908 views. You can scroll. As you're scrolling down, you'll be seeing more products. This is a bag. So you're scrolling down, you'll be seeing people's products. This one has 6K views. So it's very, very simple to use. I'll drop my referral link at the bottom of this particular video. So if you have products to advertise, you can click on the link and advertise. Immediately you register, you'll be given 1 month free advert. And if you want to earn from this same platform, you click on earn. You can see the logo at the down button, earn. So as people are giving you tax, you'll be earning through that, and it's very legit. I've used it. I've referred so many people on this platform. So if you want to advertise, you can come here, click on advertise. You can see it's the middle button on the lower menu. So click on get started. Let's click on get started. They will ask you the things you want to advertise. High advertise views, social media adverts, interact. You can interact with your buyers directly. So this platform is very, very good. Let's click on market and see. Let's see if it's going to load this time. Network. I don't really know what's happening. So when this particular interface open, you will see products like the way we've seen product in our home. Let's go to home. It's the same thing. Still see product there, line up there also. If you scroll down, you see people's product. That's what you will still see in markets. So it's a second platform I'm introducing to you, and I'm assuring you that you're going to get massive outcomes, massive return when you key in using this particular application I'm showing you about. I'm showing up. So as you can see, I've made a lot of tasks. I've promoted so many things on this particular platform, and let me show you my order. That's when I place order for my page. Total, I spent 1,145 naira so far on my page. So let's wait for it to open. Oh my God, really having network issue here. Let's hold on and see. You will see all the tasks that have been completed, all the tasks that I gave, which has been completed. So that's by the way. But what you are interested on, okay, it has opened. You can see completed. So all these people now, I've paid them for the tasks I gave them. I've paid them. So that's just it. So it's another platform in which you can advertise your product, and if you're interested in earning, you can also register and do the tax people are putting, because when you put a tax, you pay the company for advertising your product, and the same company is going to pay you a stipend from the money the advertiser has paid. That's how the platform will work, and the minimum amount to advertise your product here is 1,000 naira. The minimum amount. But if you are new into the system, if you are using my referral code, you will be opportune to promote your product, advertise your product for 1 month. So I will drop my referral link at the bottom of this video. So when you click on it, you can be able to register. So have a wonderful day. I think we've come to the conclusion of this video. If you have any problem, you can drop it at the comment section. Thank you.